Good morning, students of class 4. Today we will continue with the poem Seeds. In the last class we had seen that the seed, though it was very frail and very weak, it was slowly coming out from the soil, okay, and growing into a plant. But it was very small. We could not see it. We have to see very minutely to find it growing. So now let us see what happens next in the poem. Seeds, today is the 27th. But know a pebble near them lies, at least a cherry stone in size, which that mere sprout has heaved away to bask in sunshine, see the day. Okay, so what the poet is telling us over here now is that what is the meaning of a pebble? What is the meaning of pebble? Pebble means a small smooth stone. Okay, a small and smooth stone. Now there are many pebbles over there and the seed needs to grow. But the seed, though it looks like weak and frail, it is still pushing all kinds of pebbles, which is maybe, cherry stone in size, which is cherry stone in size. It is pushing everything and it is coming out of the soil and growing into a plant. So what? It is showing what is this weak and frail, it is showing that it is strong. Though it looks weak and frail, it is actually very strong and steady because it is pushing whatever comes in its way and it is coming out of the soil, which that mere sprout has heaved away. That mere sprout meaning that small and weak young plant, that small and weak young plant has heaved away. Heaved away meaning it has pushed away with great effort. The small and weak young plant is pushed with great effort through all the pebbles to the soil and everything and growing into a plant. So it is showing that though it is only looking young and it is looking young, it is looking weak, it is looking frail, but actually it is very strong and sturdy and it is pushing away everything that comes in its way and growing into a plant to bask in sunshine and see the day. To bask in sunshine meaning to enjoy the warmth and light. Once it comes out of the soil, it will enjoy the warmth and the light of the sunshine and see the beautiful day. So I hope this part is clear to all of you. Okay, so in this poem, the speaker attempts to show the difference between what? The difference between the weak and the strong. Okay, the seedling, though frail and small, is actually tough and sturdy. Okay, it is strong enough to make space for itself and grow, even if it has to push aside a large rock or a large pebble to do so. Okay, so I hope the poem is clear to you, students. Now let us go to the word meanings for today. Some difficult word meanings are given to you. You have to write them in your English literature copy. Learn the word meanings well. Number 1, pebble, meaning a small smooth stone. Number 2, that mere sprout, meaning that small and weak young plant. Number 3, heaved away, meaning pushed away with great effort. Number 4, to bask, meaning to enjoy the warmth and light. So, I hope the poem is clear to you, students. Please learn the poem well at home. Okay, read it nicely and learn it well. Learn the word meanings also well and write it in your English literature copy. The exercise work for this lesson will be given to you in the next class. Thank you, students, and God bless you.